So last day over here, I took some really good shots of the stars above me some time back. I'll show you in this video. And then we'll be leaving. We'll be checking out at around 10 o'clock. We'll be heading to some Dalai Lama monastery which is nearby. The flight is at 2 p.m. to 10. So we gotta hurry. We love this place a lot. We hope to be back here soon. With some family members maybe. If you guys like the view and the vibes over here, please do visit this place. I'll give the address and the link in the description. So I just got done with my bath and I just took cold shower in this extreme cold weather. It felt amazing. It felt as if it was a rebirth. The experience is something else. Everyone should try it and your life will be changed. Just try it. I'll be getting ready now. Then I'm all dressed up now and today is the final yoga session in the morning since we'll be heading out to our homes. You can see how peaceful it is over here. I'm going near the cows. Taking a walk on the premise, the resort.
ये जो आप ऑडियो वीडियो बना रहे हो
We are doing sun meditation early in the morning. Done with our sun meditation. Yeah.
Sorry? Without thinking, if your eyes start getting watery, just close it and come back. Hari, please remove your glasses. But this is the best light you can see in the whole world. When I heal you from join for your skin, your hair.
So another very important thing that this is going to do is going to heal your pineal gland.
Can you speak loud, please?
You understand things spiritually. And also it's going to help you sleep better at night. If you've been getting into the habit of sleeping very late, you can get up one morning and do this. You will automatically start to be able to sleep early. And if you have jet lag, then just take your shoes off and stand here facing the sun for around 20-25 minutes. Your jet lag is going to diminish.
Also, you should do with that. And what we will say?
क्या बोलना है बोलना.
How was the experience?
What can we say? You
ये
should.
तो क्या इंटरव्यू हो गया क्या?
रहेगा सही है मेरी बात.
Shivam, you have better you count one, and then we.
3, 2, 1, start. Consuming one raw amla daily.
I'm waiting.
Sorry.
So another retreat which is going to begin.
Namaste. We're gonna start our yoga asana practice. Inhale and exhale. We're gonna start.
Everybody shut your eyes. There's nothing too fancy, but usually it's these kind of very dull things that actually give you the best.
Palms close to your heart. Lift up. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare. In this space, to fully breathe pure air. Inhale, center. Arms up and exhale. Go down to hands off the floor. Stretch. And very fully in. Inhale, out. Exhale, in. Inhale, out. Exhale, in. And center. Now my right hand is gonna go inside to the view. Basically, out there, this is enough. Stay here, if not. Left arm. Few breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Left palm, right arm to the sky. Few breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Go back. Now inhale, I'm gonna go down. Last one. Exhale. And inhale. Cobra. Go back to child. Stay here. Inhale. Exhale. Now gently walk. If you don't touch, just inhale, exhale, start crunching little jumps with your hands. It's the mat. Inhale, right to the back side, right foot to the back. Stay here or give the full stretch. Please just chin to the ground. My butt is fully up, hips are fully up. Inhale, exhale, left, right foot back side. Inhale, exhale. Let's do last one. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. Left foot go back. Exhale. Right foot back. Inhale. Exhale. Sastranga Namaskar. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. Left forward. Exhale. Inhale. Right forward. Exhale. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bend, smooth shoulder. Inhale up. Exhale. Now we are going to try to do that is vinyasa. So if you, instead of going back side, we are going to sit. Chair pose. When we go here, immediately we stay here. If you can just go to frog pose. If you can hold here, then you jump both feet flat and go to chaturanga. Chaturanga up and mudra jump. Circles and go back. I know it looks difficult, but we will do slow. So, okay? Namaskarasana. Now, inhale, circles. Look to your hands. Up. Exhale. Down. Now, if you can't, don't worry. If not prepared, look to a point in front of you and try to hold. Very good. And jump. Chaturanga. Chaturanga. Down. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Exhale. Stay here for 3 breaths. We are feeling more warm. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale. Jump. Inhale. Circles. And exhale. Last one side. Inhale. Exhale. And go down as much as you can. Excellent. Chest is not going forward. It's going actually back. I'm pushing my chest to the back side. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale other side. Those sections. Vrikshasana, look to a point in front of you. If you are ready, then bring the gaze up without pulling. Gaze fully up. Nahin, when I say this. Come on, try. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. If you try, focus on a point in front of you. And exhale. Stay as much as you can. Inhale, exhale, go back. Relax. Look up. Concentrate. If not, just stay looking forward. If you are ready, then we try to bring our body inhale, exhale. What are you doing? Chin to the chest. Inhale, back side. Inhale, deep chin to the chest, namaskar. Breathe, chin to chest. Exhale. Half rotation to the front side only. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. My right palm touch the floor. My left palm is helping me to give a great twist. Look to the back side. It's okay. It's okay. Come back. Relax. Move your toes. Move your
So packing is done and now we'll be heading out for breakfast. From there we'll be checking out after some small exit ceremony. So come on, let's go. नहीं वो भी अलग ट्रीटेड वाले. We are going for breakfast. So we'll ask breakfast over here.
फिर वो मांग गया कहता डिलीट कराओ
The breakfast menu. Yogurt, cutlet, paratha, and bread. Thank you.
ना हमारी बात सुनो तो वो आए
Good.
क्या कहते हैं भव्य बिश्नोई का ऑफिस बनाना है. वैसे अधिकतर हमारे यहाँ ना ये पुलिस वाले टेक ओवर कर लेते हैं कि जो फोर्सेज आती है ना ना ईवीएम नहीं आती हाँ फोर्सेज की
So this is our breakfast.
नेता ने ये कह दिया था हमारे से बिना भी चुनाव लड़ने में सुना होगा नहीं पब्लिकली पब्लिकली जो
बस आज लास्ट है
Tasting our breakfast. Paratha is very delicious. I'm trying it out with yogurt.
खाना कम खा भाई अच्छा ये भी डाल दे
कैसे दर्द हो रहा है लाडवा से बताइए कोई आया है हमारे यहाँ से
So there is another retreat which is going to begin from today. Now we'll be taking our bags out. So we're checking out of our rooms now. We're going to the yoga shala.
बोल रहा है
Is anyone
Swapnil?
close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Close your eyes. We are gonna pronounce our mind. And all these accumulated energies that need to be healed. And you are releasing with every exhalation. Everyone is inspired by you.
Yesterday you told one more thing. Previously ladies should first marry and have children and then take sannyas. So you must be married at some times. I will definitely come to your marriage if you invite me.
Thank you. Let's see. Okay. Connect. Say thank you. And everything that weighs you down. Namaste. Okay, I have to do it very fast because we don't have enough time.
I think that growing up in Krishna consciousness, sometimes we forget that our bodies are also an important part of our spiritual life, no? Because without a strong, healthy body, you can't practice anything. And Ambika, with all of the yoga, the stretching, reminding us that we are supposed to be flexible, because if a stick is not flexible, then it will break easy. Just our body, and also he has been helping us, especially me. I think that we all need a little bit more physical strength. And well, Yash, he's been a really good roommate, and I asked him this morning if he wanted a tulsi mala for his neck, and he said yes. So this is, I was seeking this event like to get this mala on my neck, and I didn't know it would happen this way, but I'm really grateful that it's happening here, and I feel like it's God choosing me through Kishore, especially his name as Krishna Kishore. Like Krishna is the name, Krishna is there in his name, so that's something that I feel called to, and I thought for a moment, and then I said yes, that I would love to wear it. Can
ये सब कर्म भी ऐसे रखने पड़ेंगे, कुर्सी वाला पहनेगा तो।
हाँ, वो सब मैंने पूछ लिया पहले।
ऊपर से मैंने बताया था ना।
हाँ। You also described about the benefits and why we should wear this. Like it is made up of tulsi, and we offer tulsi to Krishna every morning when we wake up. But when we wear this, then this is how we offer ourselves to Krishna, and that's how like my 4 years have been to getting closer and closer to Krishna. And if today is the day, today is Sharad Purnima, where I completely devote myself to Krishna, then I'm grateful, that I'm more than grateful for this moment in my life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dad. Sarvana? Yes, 1 minute. Karan?
What is written here? What is written here?
And Karan for doing this. I know some part of me is healed now, like completely not, but some part of me is healed. Yeah, so I really want to thank you and Karan for doing this. Likewise, life is not a destination, it's a journey. Likewise, healing is also not a destination, it's a healing, right? So yeah, thanks for doing this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anyone wants to share something?
I feel like being really aligned to this circle, like everyone here is here for a reason, and there could be something that would have been in our life to bring us here. We all are going through a journey, and this retreat has really helped me increase the connection with God, especially after what Kishore will do now in the few minutes, and what he has been doing since last 4 days, how we have been communicating, the connection I have built with Karan and with you and with lot of other people, with Adeji, with Swapnil, Anjali, and everyone here, and that's what I really wanted, that it could be a fruitful and an energetic connection that we could build with each other. So really grateful for this space, and the 4 days, this is the 5th day that we are together, and thank you everyone.
Thank you. Someone else?
To brought us here and everyone, and I want to encourage you to come and visit Vrindavan, because it's a very special place and it's very helpful for spiritual life. If you come, please get in touch with us and we'll take you around.
Yeah, you will have the best time.
Your name is Ambika Devi, but you should be called Devi Ji.
No, Krishna.
Devi means goddess. Ji is for respect. In Hinduism, we don't take the name. If we take the name, we use the word Ji in the last.
नया नाम रखने से गुरु
So this place is amazing, it's magical, but what made it most specially was your presence, each one of you. This is actually what gives value to the places, to the experience, is the people. So I'm very, very grateful to each one of you who came to this journey with us. And I just wanted to give Anjali saw me writing love letter for all of you. So I want each one of you to. Oh my God, this is the breakfast bag. I just noticed. So I wrote a letter for. A ustedes se las doy luego. A los que hablan español se las doy luego porque estas son en inglés. So please, a todos los que me pagan, excepto Karan y Shubham. So this is a letter coming from us. Karan, can you put this to each one of them? And ladies, they can select. Ladies want they want the card.
मस्त है
अच्छा
मैग्नेटिक है
No me dio tiempo.
so very nice bracelet
No me dio tiempo. Les voy a escribir otra carta. Estaba corriendo yo en la cama. So okay, let's have a group picture. Last group picture.
यहाँ चाहिए
Right.
photo right now.
How shall we?
Come in the sun. Don't stay in the shade.
इस साइड ले लो, ऐसे ले लो,
इस सन ऐसा है ना?
तो वो सही आएगा ना?
ये इसका नहीं हटाना है इसको.
अच्छा पीछे का नहीं लेना.
ग्रीन बैकग्राउंड अच्छा लगेगा.
ग्रीनरी का सही रहेगा बैकग्राउंड.
हाँ हाँ.
इधर ठीक है.
So that they don't cut me out of the picture.
No, nobody will be cut. But anyway, come. Ben.
The tall guys stay in the back.
I don't.
आप भी थोड़ा ये है, तो शैडो आ रहा है आपके चेहरे पे.
Awesome. Awaken retreat. Yeah. One for awaken
One second.
How?
उधर से देख.
Please.
मेरा भी ले लो.
So hot.
आइए.
Send me this photo. Whose phone is this? I'll say, I'll give you.
चले भाई. हाँ चलते हैं.
Just एक बार पहले.
हाँ लगेज रहेगा लगेज.
अरे शुभम आप मुझे एयर ड्रॉप कर दो.
डायरेक्टली दे.
शेयर कर दो सर आज वाला.
भाई
चल
शेयर कर देना.
हाँ हाँ तू भी टेक केयर.
चलो मिलते हैं. चलो
See you
मुंबई आता हूँ
soon.
मैं एक बार.
I mean, I don't know when, but I hope to see you soon. In
चलिए.
Dubai, maybe. Let me
मिलते
know.
हैं. हाँ
शिवम आपको
boys
5 के कैश है.
leaving. Most of them are left. Now waiting for the cab.
अब हमारा हो गया क्लियर. मेरा शिवम का टोटल पेड हो गया.
Anjali is leaving.
Bye.
Bye.
That's it for the vlog.
Yeah.
We are leaving. It's very sad that I'm going.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll see you soon.
See you. Kishore is playing tabla. Tabla, right? Mridanga. He's very good at it. Very nice. Kishore is playing tabla. Tabla, right? Mridanga. He's very good at it. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
See you.
Thank you.
safe
Bye,
journey.
bye, bye.
Have a safe journey. Bye.
Thank you.
Take care.
Nice meeting you.
Everything is in the car?
Just double check before you set ना. Because luggage आप एक बार पैक.
Oh my god.
So the retreat is finally over and we are leaving.
I'm so happy. It's raining.
Yeah.
Don't put this.
No, I want to. मिलेंगे हम जल्द.
बहुत जल्दी.
हाँ.
मैं आ रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
जल्दी
हाँ,
आप.
हाँ. Bye bye.
In organizing things.
It was the first time, right?
Like here in India, yes. In Dubai, I did before.
Similar.
But it was not staying for many days. It was just one day.
Mhm.
It was one day stuff. This is actually my first time staying. We had already one in Dunagari, but we were not the organizers. We were just guests. So yeah, it's challenge. It's a lot of challenge. Like this, Roshni was sick. Then I had to go and check on her. This kind of things. Anjali was feeling like.
ग्यारह 50. यहाँ पे 10 मिनट लगाओगे आप. 10-15 मिनट.
हाँ अभी उतना ही लगाना पड़ेगा. How much time you want to spend here?
No, I just wanted to see the diary.
So you don't want to go here? Huh?
You guys wanna go and see?
No, I mean I don't want to see.
Why?
On the way? Is it on the way?
Yeah, on the way.
Heading to the Dalai Lama Monastery. So
अच्छा
that we'll visit the airport.
टिबेटन हैंडीक्राफ्ट का इंस्टीट्यूट है. वो बहुत बढ़िया है.
इसको देखने के बाद आपको
Come to the monastery. So I come at the Kyoto monastery. Lots of monks. This is very peaceful. Lots of monks over here. सेम ही लग रहा है ना?
I like this type of. I think I wanna be one day a monk.
We have to remove the hairs then.
That's way better, right?
Sure.
नीचे आते देते
तेरे को
हाँ नीचे आते अभी ऊपर जा रहे हैं ना This monastery seems really good.
No, it's written the room here.
रावण का बाप लग रहा है
वो किसी को खा भी रहा है वो
शूट कहाँ रे सर है देख
हाँ
डिफरेंट मूर्तिज हो गया बिल्डिंग आएगा So just visited the monastery and it was really wonderful. It's quite empty now.
Some Buddhists are not vegetarian, but they're supposed to be vegetarian. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
हंस थोड़ा
Do something.
स्माइल
Smile. So serious.
So we are leaving from this monastery to the airport now. So come on, let's go.
So you don't have a vlog, YouTube vlog.
Yeah, YouTube channel, yeah, travel channel.
Malai will have, no?
So we got a coconut water.
मिनिमम कितना चाहिए जिससे मेरा थोड़ा टॉप में आ जाए मेरा जो रिव्यू है ये 30 है या 28 है
हाँ वो उधर अपडेट होने में टाइम आता है
नहीं आ गया आपका तो
अच्छा आ गया नाम
हाँ शुभम
The airport has arrived.
Airport has arrived.
अच्छा
हेलो ब्रो
They must have checked in YouTube video.
85
85
693
693 शिव कुमार
यस सर आगे
1300
डाल दो आप अपने हिसाब से
अरे यार
कोई बात नहीं आपने मेरे को वैसे हायर भी तो किया है कोई बात नहीं वैसे तो ठीक है
इन्होंने हमें आते वक्त भी छोड़ा था
जी, जी।
जाते समय भी छोड़ रहे हैं
जी जी
Thank
ओके
you.
बाय बाय सर
Bye.
हैव ए नाइस जर्नी
हाँ Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Just adjusting our luggage. Thank you. We're giving our bags for security check. शायद से हाँ, उसके बाद भी शायद होगा एक और एक रहेगा, ये एयरपोर्ट का है।
सब फ्लाइट कौन सा आपका?
और अभी चंडीगढ़ जाने वाला 2:20 का है। Stop this for security.
Yes. Yeah. I need to take up.
It's vlogging.
One second, Papa. I need to show the ticket. 1 second.
Literally, building से नीचे आएगा. I wore multiple clothes on top of each other to make it.
We are traveling.
All three of us are together. So we just got done with our security check. Now waiting for our flight. So our boarding has begun. We're going.
बाथरूम जाता तभी रिकॉर्ड करता है.
हाँ,
क्या बात कर
ये लगेगा.
Your seat number is
4A.
15 days. You have to wait.
Indigo passenger seat number 126 only, please.
नहीं मैं 15 है.
All Indigo passengers proceed for the boarding.
Nothing so far.
How much is?
Thank you so much.
They allowed us through the security, and now we are going on the flights. Climbing the flight now.
Good afternoon.
बड़े बैग्स को ऊपर वाले ओवरहेड बिन और छोटे बैग्स को सामने वाली सीट के नीचे रखें। कृपया अपनी निर्धारित सीट में ही बैठे रहें और प्रस्थान के लिए आयल को खाली रखें। धन्यवाद। Welcome to Indigo. We would love to take off with you at the earliest. To help us get going, please keep your large bags in the overhead bin up and small bags under the seat will come later. Please be seated in the allocated seats throughout the flight and keep the cabin clear for quick departure.
What window seat this time? With a good view. Dharamshala from here. We're in the air. We are preparing for landing. आपकी चंडीगढ़ से ही है? मैं भी
Actually, मैं पहले ले गया
अच्छा
ऐसे चालू है होटल सब बंद हो जाएगा। कोई ऐसा नहीं है।
उनसे निवेदन है कि वो सुरक्षा जांच के लिए अपना
ठंडी की वजह से?
हाथ में रखें। जो आपकी फ्लाइट जाएगी
Right now it's
7 से जयपुर
10 and 9.
उनसे निवेदन है कि वे अपने स्थान पर बैठ
That's
रहें।
ठीक है।
कुछ ही समय
arrived at Chandigarh airport. इधर से
फ्लाइट में भी कुछ नहीं देंगे।
इधर ही ज़्यादा दूर नहीं, इधर ही। दिस इज द फूड कोर्ट इन चंडीगढ़ एयरपोर्ट. Just got our own custom. नहीं कुछ नहीं. I'll take
Which one?
chocolate crunch. Chocolate crunch.
One chocolate and shake.
Sorry?
One chocolate and shake.
क्या क्या ऑप्शन है? ऑप्शन क्या क्या है? शेक और
Shake है, smoothies है, ड्रीम शेक्स है.
शेक.
किस चीज़ का बना?
तो शेक तो मिल्क का बनेगा सर.
मिल्क और
मिल्क और डार्क चॉकलेट जाएगी, साथ में ओरियो जाएगा.
कौन सा शेक है?
स्ट्रॉबेरी है, बनाना है, मैंगो है, चॉकलेट क्रंच, स्ट्रॉबेरी चॉकलेट, टीरामिसू.
मैं चॉकलेट क्रंच शेक.
ओके सर, वन चॉकलेट क्रंच शेक. मैम का क्या?
मेरा एक यही लेना था ब्लूबेरी.
फ्लाइट माय कार्ड इज सेइंग दैट टाइम लगेगा या
10 minutes 5 to 7 minutes.
इट्स लाइक हैव सम बर्गर इन चंडीगढ़. क्या क्या अपना
This is really delicious. We're having our meal, our lunch in Chandigarh. We're very hungry.
I am. Today I wanna eat.
Karan hasn't eaten since how many hours?
ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ.
This is chocolate. This is strawberry. And this is what is blueberry. So now we are heading to our gates. Gate 4 udhar hai. Our boarding has started. Mine is zone 3. So I'm going first. So now we are getting onto our flights. We will be flying soon after we board. We're boarding our flight now.
Two hours and 15 minutes away. Our aviators today are Captain Rohit Verma, First Officer Amit Singh Kale, alongside our crew members Aanchal, Sujata, Lata, and I am Shikha Ali, cabin crew member.
In the event of a decrease in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will fall automatically from the panel above. Pull a mask.
About to reach Mumbai. Arrived at Mumbai and our retreat officially ends. So we are waiting for our luggage to arrive. It's not yet arrived. Our final luggage has arrived. Finally.